snow in the background there, that'll be all melted away this weekend. Let's take a look at your time lapse from your Science Center and watch the moon rise. Beautiful. We do have some high clouds in the area right now, and that's going to be the case periodically throughout the day today. So filtered sunshine throughout the day, partly sunny. Looking at your 8-hour forecast, temperatures. Yes, we're starting off in the 20s. So yes, it is cold to kick off your day, but by 10 a.m. we're already at 40 degrees. By 1 o'clock, 50, mid and upper 50s expected. Again, those near the lake shore will likely be a little bit cooler than the rest of us this weekend. We'll talk more about that coming up, especially tomorrow. Let's check out your temperature trend right now. We're at 30 at County Airport, same with Willoughby, 25 in Ravenna, upper 20s in Lorain. You factor in these south winds, it feels more like the low 20s in spots. Wind chills won't be a factor in the next 2 hours or so. Looking at how much wind we're getting right now, 5 to 15 near the lake shore. You go inland and we're finding calm to light winds, but I do expect the winds to pick up as we go through the day today. By the time we hit our lunch hour, we'll be gusting between 25 and 30. So it will be a blustery day today with these intervals of filtered sunshine. These high clouds continue to stream on in. And the reason why, upstream of us, we do have an area of low pressure and a warm front that's dragging the clouds into our area. Winds, though, coming in out of the south thanks to this area of high pressure, clockwise motion around that high, bringing in winds from the south, or temperatures from the south, rather than the cooler air mass to the north. So at least we got that going for us. No weather worries at all this weekend, just tracking the cloud cover from time to time. As we head towards 3:30 this afternoon, you can see mid 50s for most of us. Could have a couple upper 50s to the west where we see more breaks of sun. By 8 o'clock this evening, still in the low 50s, no problem. Waking up Easter Sunday morning, gorgeous start. We've got temperatures in the low and mid 40s by 8 o'clock in the morning. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still mostly sunny, low 60s well inland. You notice by the lake shore, though, our temperatures mainly in the low 50s. I do expect lakeshore communities to get into the mid 50s and upper 50s tomorrow afternoon, but it's where you find the low 60s that'll be to the southern communities. 57 degrees today, filtered sunshine, definitely not as cold. We've got those wind gusts upwards of 30 though. Tonight 41, clouds clear out. It'd still be breezy, and then tomorrow temperatures on either side of 60, upper 50s to the north, low 60s to the south with lots of sunshine. Let's check out the Indians home opener. 60 degrees, partly sunny, definitely pleasant. And we've got a lot of 60s in this 8-day forecast. As you look ahead into next week, temperatures mainly in the mid 60s. Not it anymore. Okay. And we're going to talk about sunshine and beautiful conditions across our area. All right, right now we do have some high cloud cover in spots. We'll have intervals of high clouds, intervals of sunshine throughout the day today. North Canton right now, beautiful shot going on, but temperatures right now in the mid 20s. We are headed into the mid 40s by 11 o'clock. By the time we hit 1, 2 o'clock, Akron, you're back into the low 50s. I'm expecting mid to upper 50s for you today. Temperature right now, we're checking in at 28 in Carrollton. Barberton, you're at 28. 30 showing up near the lake shore, 35 in Paynesville. We're at 34 Garfield Heights. Wellington checking in at the freezing point. All is dry though, so even though we have these intervals of clouds from time to time, nothing will be falling from them. And this is not just an Ohio thing. This cold reached the whole entire deep south. They still have freeze warnings, frost advisories in effect through around 10 o'clock this morning, and this is their final morning of those freeze alerts. So we know things are going up from there. Your average high, 54 degrees. Yesterday, we only managed to hit 39. So today, we're going to be above average, but only by a touch, a couple degrees. Sunrise this morning was at 7:07, and sunset is at 7:55. All right, so I did say that we're not going to go back there, but we're going to. Look at what we got on Thursday. 3.7 inches of snow. That's above for the month of April, and for the season we're still at a deficit. Remember, season includes March, and March we only had a trace of snow. Akron Canton on Thursday, you got a 1/2 inch an inch and about a half in Mansfield. So your April climate stats. So the reason why I wanted to go back there on April 1st, look at the average snow for the month of April. We typically get 2 inches of snow. With 3.7, we're already above average, and that was on the 1st of April. 53, the average high on the 1st of April. The last day in the mid 60s, and I do have mid 60s in this 8-day forecast. Things are changing. You can tell just out to the west of us, temperature difference from yesterday, 10 to 15 degrees warmer, and that wedge of warmth headed our way just in time for our Easter Sunday. Kansas City checking in at 50 right now, where we're sitting at 31. So your 6 to 10 day outlook, we're definitely warmer over the next couple of days, but we also enter the chance for some rain showers. This one coming Monday night. That's our first chance. Second chance Tuesday night. So mainly night events. But the bulk of the rain here, widespread showers expected on Thursday. And beyond that, you'll notice that temperatures will start to trend cooler in the 8 to 14 day forecast. So no snow today. Look at this dog saying, no, do I really want to go out there? The only reason why I'm going so with mid-20s, colder than average temps this morning, otherwise perfect dog walking forecast. Again, though, you can see it here on time lapse as we look at a couple different vantage points here. Sunshine, then some clouds rolling back in, then more clouds and more sunshine. You go down towards the south, North Canton right now picking up on a mostly sunny sky. Your 8-hour forecast will continue that trend through the day today, and these clouds, high variety. So we're looking at filtered sunshine through the afternoon. Now, by your lunch hour, it'll still be on the cool side, temperatures in the upper 40s, but we're trending up. We're headed back into the mid and upper 50s this afternoon. Yes, still cool, but it's above average. Average high 54. Temperatures right now generally in the mid 30s near the lakeshore, low 30s inland. You factor in the winds, and we still have it feeling like 20s in spots. 25 is what it feels like in Lorain, 23 in Ashtabula. But these winds coming in out of the south, it's part of the reason why it's going to help boost our temperatures back to above average. Right now, we're anywhere between 5 to 15 sustained with gusts around 20. Now, wind gusts will pick up as we go through the afternoon. I'm expecting wind gusts upwards of 25 to 30 through the heart of the day today. That's about it. Otherwise, you're seeing the clouds starting to stream in here to Cuyahoga, Lorain, down towards Medina County. Then you go towards Akron, over towards Portage and Stark County, and we're seeing lots of sunshine. So that's a sunny break. Here's a cloudy one. Behind that, we're having some sunshine again, and it's all thanks to this area of low pressure. Notice, though, with this system, not a lot going on, not even rain showers along this warm front. That warm front will stay to the north of us, so I'm expecting showers to stay to the north. So we're just tracking cloud cover today, and of course, temperature trend going up. Temperature at 4 o'clock this afternoon, we've got mid 50s on the map, and then as we head towards the evening hours, 9 o'clock, upper 40s to right around 50. It's not going to be a cold night tonight, so great news for your sunrise services tomorrow, for the egg hunts in the morning for the kiddos. I know we have some egg hunts going on right now, but we've got temperatures mainly in the mid 40s when you wake up. So by the afternoon, we'll see more sunshine tomorrow, by the way, on your Easter Sunday. Temperatures right around 60 degrees. It will be cooler along the immediate lakeshore. I expect temperatures to hover in the low and mid 50s with a light northerly flow. Looking good here Sunday night. Monday, even warmer. I'll show you that coming up. 57 today, intervals of clouds and sun, definitely not as cold. Wind gusts upwards of 30. Tonight, 41, clouds clear out, so we're seeing plenty of sunshine on your Easter Sunday. It will be a pleasant day. Keep in mind it will be cooler near the lake, but most of us will average right around 60 degrees, and that's going to be your first pitch forecast. 60 with winds out of the east, and they will be light. Inland areas away from the lake will likely top in the mid 60s Monday afternoon, and we've got a lot of 60s in this 8-day forecast. So here's your mild trend. We're bringing back the rain chance mainly at night. First one comes Monday night. Second one, we started off with temperatures mainly in the low and mid 20s. There were some outliers in the teens, but that's now long gone. We also started off with sunshine, intervals of clouds starting to roll back in. You can see this cloud deck here moving towards North Canton right now. And that's going to be the case. On and off, we'll see more sunshine, otherwise more high cloud cover, but temperatures going in the right direction. We're going to say goodbye to temperatures staying in the 30s all day long. We are headed to 50 degrees by 1 o'clock. Akron, mid to upper 50s expected for you. And again, you'll have these high clouds from time to time. Temperature right now 33 degrees. It is 36 now in Barberton. We're almost to 40 in Painesville and Mentor. 38 downtown Cleveland. Lorraine checking in at 37. Same with Independence. So we've got we're slowly starting to improve. Remember, yesterday we only hit 39 degrees, so we've got some temperatures out there at that point right now. Not anything going on radar, which is good news. And we're not alone with this cold spell. We still have frost advisories and warnings in the deep south, but things trending up. Look to the west of us. We've got this plume of warmer air. 10 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. We're running 5 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, and we're checking in at 36. But look at Chicago, 43. We're at 51 in Kansas City. That plume of warmth, that milder air will slowly be moving in. So your 6 to 10 day outlook, we are definitely trending well above average, much warmer than the last 2 days, that's for sure. Now, as we trend warmer, we're also going to introduce more rain chances. The first one coming Monday night. Now, I think Futurecast, is overdoing this a touch. I'm going with about a 20 to 30% chance overnight. I do buy this starting Tuesday night into early Wednesday. Then we're dry Wednesday, but we've got rain arriving more widespread as this strong system moves in on Thursday. We're looking at widespread rain and cooler temperatures following that system. That our 8 to 14 day outlook. We're going to trend cooler, right in between that warm, cool trend. 53 degrees on the first day of April. Our last day, should be averaging in the mid 60s. Average snow about 2 inches. And yesterday, or on Thursday, we picked up 3.7. Yesterday, we hit 39 degrees, a far cry from our 54. There's your snow totals for the month of April so far. So we're well above that. We had some sad looking daffodils. Thanks for sending in your view. How about this cool shot? And this is what we think spring should look like. Look at the gorgeous sunshine and puffy clouds, and of course, no snow and the green grass. So your Easter Sunday looks like this. We're back to sunshine. Temperatures starting off in the low 40s. We're headed into the low 60s. Those near the lake will be in the low and mid 50s.